ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Kaying Bishar Meghalaya High Court haga arpu artari ko benar risau arajar arpu wei kalapan jubab naki arpu sau tuli kikinhon kata naka sarkar jilla naka office jong deputy commissioner ke East Khasi Hills District naka office jong block development officer ke Soyong Community and Rural Development Block naka village employment council bat naki reo shimet haga baya day bat ka jingmudi public interest litigation jong ba e thaba haga khatwei tari ko benar naiwing arajar arpu halor ka jingkano bakadon ka jerse bamsap na ka jingkuntre ka scheme Pradhan Mantri Khanij Kshetra Kalyan Yojana hakasnong len mautap e kabahab hapo upodusam jong ka hima Soyong East Khasi Hills District habaya keren matkilat pathai khubor unong mudui uba ban kensai thaba ulaong ba udon bait ka jingshania ha ka yeng bisar bakan shimkhia ya ka jingkarpa jong ki paitba khnang maka hok kan yeng rasong
te gani matang iwan chani chapras chungpi na marang iwan kan tersu ye tai ban suksong jungi te po dan tap ye Soyong halor bani file ya kapi yal hapo high court khatwei tarik bran khatwei arajar apo ti matang ila yo kala man tersu katlum gajing ka nang loyo jungi ti matang an tulie nang ni ki jingit ko baba ni nak kalian loyo jungi mana kalian kain bisa badan burom jungi ke balang halor do kepala sya ban terus juga ni secara lap sai kebor di mentangan kuliah ni kalau tidak dak kecik teman kabasikat dai hakakam kabai dai berkapi el jungi nak kesenong lan mutapi Soyong kabani la ujor persya ya ke state government ki balong parti wei adu san pat persya iki kakendai parti ki bakan topru ya ki reusiman kani ka piayal kadai ka jingjor persya ya ka jingbam sam bat ka jingbam tentrai hok ya ka scheme upai ba ka baha upo Soyong constituency ti kunta na kaliang ka jong ka yeng bisa ba khlidu ka High Court of Meghalaya haka hearing ka badai haka arbitrate brand bispo arajar puai tasim khia but issue notice ya baro ki parties ki bakan top ya ka state government ki committee bat ya gireusiman bat ni kum ki petitioner ni bu ka jingsania apo ka yim bisa badan buron bakan le ya ka ka badai na ka benta ka hok pai ba ban nim island ya ki kambam sap ban sim kabu jong ki nong tre saka ne gireusiman ki badan ha ka snong ne ha ka jela jungi khamtam ya ki nong lam pai ba ki ba susngap menti haba ki yoi ya kat kani ka kamtu ka kamthok ka ba peleng ka ba pendu jubor ya ka hok bat jing metoy jong pai ba ho nyim da sungkla namar ni nongilam ki ba ngidon ki long ki ba kelut bat mala bat ki badon ka pla patlun ka ba jelio bat he kat ka kho ramha bat ki ba la sha issue notice haka High Court ki long komni rom ka ban kong State of Meghalaya represented by Chief Secretary Shillong. Number 2, District Mineral Foundation represented by Sherman East Khasi Hills District Shillong Meghalaya. Point number 3, Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District Shillong Meghalaya. Point number 4, District Level Committee PMKKY East Khasi Hills Meghalaya. Point number 5, Block Development Officer Soyong CNRD Block East Khasi Hills Meghalaya. Tikini bro sam ngon iladak ban complete hang ni katkum ga date of order arpoitri bramispo arajar po ajak way arsa kita giri pai ba ki badan hakta construction committee the point number 6 the construction committee represented by its chairman. Point number 7, implementation committee represented by its chairman. Point number 8, Sri B. Sunga, chairman of construction committee, who is the block development officer Soyong CRD block East Khasi Hills Meghalaya. Point number 9, Sri M. Karman Chulai, members of construction committee, who is the junior engineer Soyong and CRD block East Khasi Hills Meghalaya. Sri Banchari Moyong, members of construction committee, who is the junior engineer Soyong CRD block East Khasi Hills Meghalaya. Point number 11, Shri Sunshine Kharjana, members of Construction Committee, who is the technical assistant of Sayong Block, right of Umsao Domhoi, Sayong, leadership is Kasihil. Point number 12, Shri Elingsa Wardri, members of Construction Committee, who is also the chairman of the Sayong CNRD Block, ex-Sardar of Land Matapi, right of Land Pringsinong, East Kasihil District in Kalia. Point number 13, Shri S. Kamal Nungri, Sardar of Land Matapi, members of Construction Committee, who is also the chairman of BC in the village, right of Land Matapi village, Sayong Leadership East Kasihil, Mikalia. But ini keteng baru iyo nimba kajing jubab nak first dom video jadi diberi baru diberi private. Te ajuk por suah bentuk ikut mungkin tu dah kebenyi ong kumni te kumta dah kabasami askam hakabol jom yin bisa bahalur kabala snap ban simkia ya kajing kerpa jongi iriu peda ni kermas kembek bakahap penyeng rasam.